It is currently Vlogmas Day 24. We're almost there. We're pretty much there.
All I really want for Christmas is you.
So it is currently Christmas Eve. It's 1 a.m.
You got my heart speed racing again. You got my mind doing circles again. You got my stomach knotted up again. Late nights you got me up again. You got my mind speed racing again. You got my heart asking why? You know what you did, you took it, you stole it. You broke into my heart, I couldn't prevent it.
Yes, my face is horrific. I didn't have any time to wash my face after getting back from work or anything, or fix my makeup. And this person wanted me to take engagement photos looking like this. But he has set up all the gifts that we bought each other for Christmas over there. But I think it's only fair, since I got one of my gifts, he gets one of his. We're not gonna tell him that I also gave him a ring, but we're just gonna make him think, like, you know, the ring I bought him was worth nothing compared to the one he bought me, so he gets one more gift. So go ahead and open it.
This is my first Christmas gift ever unwrapping in that way.
No, it's not.
Yes. What's in the box? Oh, these are nice. Yeah,
These are the ones that I was regretting the color choice. Even though I know you love purple, I was afraid that I should have went with a different color.
But when it's like this, I feel like this purple is perfect.
And then I tried to put, as you do, shirts that will match. So that you wouldn't get upset.
I'm not gonna lie to you, these shirts match, they do. That's dope.
I want to see if these pants actually fit you. We'll wait until he's appropriately dressed.
Yeah.
Let me see. Very nervous for how this shirt is actually gonna fit Rose. Looking at how it looks on me. But at least there's room in the shoulders. And we'll see how this hairdo comes out, because I've done it before.
Cold nips at your toes. Wrap up in winter clothes. Can you be mine for Christmas?
It is Vlogmas Day 24. Pretty much, we're there. We made it to the end. We're gonna finish this thing. And I'm trying to leave my house by 5 so that I can take the train to work. It's currently 4:20. I've let my alarm snooze for 20 minutes. Could be a lot worse, but I want to push myself. So, let's do this.
I've been good all year.
It's Christmas Eve. I can have creamer.
So what I want to hear is you'll be mine for Christmas. Can you be mine for Christmas? Would you deny me this much?
it is currently like, it feels like 10 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. And I am currently in bed. Laptop open, YouTube open, Premiere Pro open in the background, like dragged all my files into edit, but am too enthralled in random videos that don't matter to my life at all. Excuse me. Made myself some ramen. Ate all my leftover Chinese food when I first got here at like 2 o'clock. And just also, full disclosure, ate three Musketeer bars, little ones, but that I bought for Rose for Christmas. I bought him 2 packs, and there's still 1.5 packs left, so I don't feel too bad about it. I'm gonna put them in a bag so he doesn't know I opened them. But I have no self-control, so we'll see if I make it to the end of the night. But anyways, I really haven't felt like pulling out the camera because I really haven't felt like doing anything. I'm so exhausted. I don't want to edit this video right now, but I have to, and I have to edit sooner than later because I have to go to bed at a reasonable time. My voice sounds weird. My pickup tomorrow is at 4:25, so like I said, have to go to bed at a reasonable time. And that's why I'm just sitting here drinking water, eating ramen. I don't even want to make coffee. Coffee sounds gross right now. I'm that tired. And it is currently Christmas Eve. And it doesn't feel like Christmas Eve at all. It feels like I don't even know. So I'm excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to go home for dinner at my parents' house. I'm surprising my mom. And that'll be the last day I have to film. Technically I don't have to film tomorrow, but I filmed Christmas Day last year, I'm pretty sure, and therefore I will do it again this year. But yeah, I'm so tired. I'm so done. I'm so done. Hey guys, I promise you I have left my bed for a couple minutes at least today. I blow dried my hair. So that requires being out of bed, right? But I just wanted to check in. It's the end of the night. It's Christmas Eve. Does not feel like it. But the vlog is out and I feel like I have just been pushing myself to my limits this month with the amount of traveling I've done, the amount of work I've taken on, and all of the other stresses of my life at this current moment. And I'm so happy for December to be over. I'm so grateful. I've said it before, but I'm so grateful that I actually went through with it, did Vlogmas 2020 versus 2021. Like, that's incredible. So exciting that I actually got to use all of the footage I filmed and put it out into the world. Just even if I'm the only one that gets to look back and enjoy it, I love it. I'm so excited that I did that. But I'm so ready to just cuddle up in bed at 8 p.m. and go to sleep. So with that being said, we're gonna open some gifts. You put way too much water in it.
For?
You might want to add another packet.
This is good. Diet chocolate? Yeah.
Oh, and we had a little tree on top of the presents. The presents were under the Christmas tree. We don't decorate ours because we're healthy.
Yeah, we're healthy people.
We're classic. Oh, I meant to hide one of the gifts and then have you open it tomorrow.
What happened is because I fixed the presents.
Yeah. And also a lot of things happened, so I kind of didn't have it on my mind.
Ooh.
And this would also
match.
match
That would match.
Yeah. I'm so glad you think so, because I didn't put it in there because I didn't want to be risky.
We're all breathing the same air. We ended up right here together, all singing the same songs. If your holiday is a holy day or just a needed pause, may the love in you tingle and the walls around you fall. May your best self lead the tango. May you see the good in all. May the season wrap its arms around you, heal you fresh and new. May you feel the love of this warmest wish for you. I know this year was a wild card, but we powered through strong. We made it through to December. Soon a brand new year will dawn. We'll keep on leaning on each other through the fights and sweet winds. We can blaze a path together, make a good world to live in. May the love in you tingle and the walls around you fall. May your best self lead the tango. May you see the good in all. May the season wrap its arms around you, heal you fresh and new. May you feel the love of this warmest wish for you. Don't be fooled by the front. Truth is that we are one.
You won
You won the day
Thursday.
before.
I won the day before. I thought the surprise would.
No, the surprise killed it, but that happened yesterday,
Yeah, you're-
so we moved on. Now,
Wow.
now we're here.
Is that how you're a
now
cheater?
You're looking so fancy.
You're a cheater. That's how you justify this?
See, that's why I was splitting up the outfits, no matter what I would have worn.
Damn it, bro. Thank you so much, man.
So this is 2022 Treasa editing jumping in. Yes, I'm not editing this vlog until Vlogmas of 2022. Check the outfit. I'll be in the same outfit tomorrow. I'm currently getting Rose coffee, but I wanted to quickly jump in and add some explanation for the vlog. So I went to finish editing the last vlog that was supposed to be posted last year that I never ended up putting out. And I always intended, when I didn't end up posting it, to post it today before Vlogmas begins again. And that's what I'm doing. But just know, I'm sorry, there's a lot of holes, there's a lot of gaps. I vlogged a lot on the 24th and then on the 25th of 2020 I vlogged the morning, and then when we went to my family's house I don't think I vlogged at all, or barely at all. And then the next year, 2021, I literally did not vlog at all that day, so, which is weird because I said that I was going to, but things happen, so if you're like, where's the rest of the vlog? It's gonna kind of abruptly end, probably.
3, 2, 1, go.
One more row. He's entering. It's okay. At least you have that super warm outfit to put on.
Oh yeah, you
Oh,